Hello student, good morning, welcome back. So today I am going to start new chapter light. It is a very important chapter. So in this chapter we shall study different topics. Okay, I mean refraction of light, refraction of lights, dispersion of lights. Okay, there are many topics in this chapter and this is a very important chapter. So firstly, what is a light? Light is a form of any energy. Light is a form of any energy and we take any source of light. Okay, we take any bulb here. Okay, and the light from this source is spread in all directions, not in one direction, spread in all directions. Okay, so when it fall on object, when this light fall on object, it gets spread out from them, and we get the sensation of vision when this light reaches our eyes and their images are proceed in the brain. Okay, and when this light reaches our eye and their images are proceed in the brain, then we can see that object. Okay, so we can see the world through our eyes. Okay, through our eyes or our sense of sight. So we cannot see anything without the light. Okay, so when light fall upon or is emitted by an object, so our eyes detect that light and hence the object becomes visible to us. Okay, so what happened when light falls on a mirror? But here we discuss some other topic. So we need any space here. We take any page here. Okay, so firstly duplicate page. Okay, no we take new page here. Okay, so in this page, okay, so we discuss here, we take any room here. Okay, so if there is a room, okay, and no light in this room, and there are many objects present in this room. Okay, chair, some table. Okay, so there are many objects present in this room. Okay, so in this room we will not see anything, okay, which is present in this room when this is a dark room. Okay, so we unable to see any objects here. Okay, but as soon as so we switch on the light, so we start seeing all the things present in this room. Okay, so when a light reflected from an object and reaches our eyes, okay, then our eye sends signal to our brain and our brain will be identify that objects and we can see all that objects present here. Okay, but in dark room we cannot see anything. Okay, because light is not present there. So here we take any plane mirror. Okay, and a light ray fall on this plane mirror. Okay, and after hitting it upper surface, it return back to the same medium. Okay, and this ray is a called incident ray, and the second ray is called reflected ray. So we draw normal here on this horizontal surface, I mean the upper surface of this plane mirror. Okay, so here I mean incident ray make an angle I with this normal, and this reflected ray make an angle R with this normal. Okay, and this is a normal and this is a plane mirror. Okay, and here angle I is equal to angle R. This is the angle I is equal to called angle of incident ray, and this R is called angle of reflected ray. Okay, and here I repeat again what we do here. Firstly, we take any plane mirror. Okay, and a light ray fall on this upper surface of this plane mirror, and after hitting it, it goes back to the same medium, or it return back to the same medium. Okay, so here this is a called incident ray and this is a called reflected ray. Okay, and here this incident ray make an angle I with this normal, and this reflected ray make an angle R with this normal. Okay, and by the law of reflection says that the angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. Okay, angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection here. Okay, so we take here. Okay, this is a source of light. Okay, this is a source of light, and here there are three rays. Okay, there are three rays coming out from this source, and it hitting this upper surface of this plane mirror and return back to the same medium. Okay, and this is a air medium, so it return back to the after striking this upper surface of this mirror, it return back to the same medium. Okay, so here these all lines are parallel to each other, so we draw here normal. Okay, so here angle of incident of each ray will be same. Okay, and an angle of reflection will be also same here, so we know that angle of I is equal to angle of R. Okay, so here I repeat again what we do here. So this is a source of light. Okay, and this source of lights, okay, many rays, I mean the three rays coming out from this source, and these rays of light hitting the horizontal surface. This is a horizontal surface. Okay, hitting the horizontal surface and return back to the same medium. Okay, so here many rays will collide with this plane and go back to the same medium. Okay, so here angle of incident is equal to angle of R. Okay, so here we take any horizontal, I mean the plane mirror, we take any plane mirror, and this is a shiny surface of this plane mirror, and this is a polished part, polished surface. Okay, so here when we take any light here, okay, this is the first ray, and we take another parallel ray. Okay, this is a parallel ray, and this return back to the same medium, and we take another ray, and it's again return back to the same medium after hitting this upper surface of this mirror. Okay, so we draw normal here. We draw normal. There are three normal here which make 90 degree with this surface, upper surface of this mirror, plane mirror. Okay, so here it make 90 degree here. Okay, so make 90 degree. So here this is the angle of incident, because this is the incident ray. These all are this. Okay, these all are incident ray. Incident rays. Okay, this make an angle I here. Okay, I. This all make I here. Okay, and this is the angle of reflection R. Angle of reflection. Okay, and we already know that angle of I is equal to angle of R. Okay, angle of I is equal to angle of R. Okay, so here the laws of reflection. Okay, so what is a reflection of light? Okay, and this is an incident ray, I mean coming light, and this reflected ray, it hitting this upper surface and it return back to the same medium, and this is a reflected ray. Okay, here angle theta I and theta R. I is angle of incident ray, and here theta R represent the angle of reflected ray, and we already know that theta I is equal to theta R, but I only take angle I is equal to angle R. Okay, okay, so here what is the law of reflection of light? So when light strikes a surface, and bounce back or return back to same medium is called reflection. Okay, and there are many properties of reflection. So here um, incident ray. What is the incident ray? The ray of light that fall on the surface is called incident ray, and this is called incident ray. Okay, reflected ray, the ray of light that gets reflected back from the surface is called reflected ray, and this is called reflected ray. Okay, normal, and this part is called normal, which make angle 90 degree with upper surface of this plane mirror. Okay, so normal, it is an imaginary line. It is an imaginary line that is shown perpendicular to the reflecting surface at the point where the incident ray strikes the surface, or at the point of incidence, at this point. Okay, at this point, the angle of incidence. Okay, so it is the angle that the incident ray make with the normal. So this angle is called incident. Okay, this angle. And the angle of reflection, it is the angle that the reflected ray make with the normal. Okay, and this angle is called angle of reflection. Here the first law of reflection. Okay, so here the angle of incident and the angle of reflection are always equal. Angle of incident and angle of reflection are always equal. I mean angle is I is equal to angle R. Okay, which always equal. Okay, in other words, okay, the angle by which a ray of light is incident on a surface will back is always be equal to the angle by which it is reflected back from the surface. Okay, so you only keep remember that only angle I is equal to angle R. Okay, the second law of reflection, the incident ray, the reflected ray, and normal all lie in the same plane. Okay, in the same plane here. Okay, in the same plane. So this is the first plane and this is the second plane. Okay, here angle of incident, this is the angle of, okay, angle of incident, angle of reflection, and this incident ray and this refracted ray and this normal, all in one side of this plane. Okay, all in one side. Okay, one side.